So hello everyone, today we will see how to create budgets in AWS. So first go right click on your username, Mahima, whatever your name is, click on that. Then go to billing and cost management. After going to billing and cost management, on left hand side you will see one option that is budget. And on the home page you will see the cost summary about your month to date cost, your last month cost for the same time period, and the last month total cost you have spent on your services. So all the data will be available on your home page, so you can go through on that. Now go to budgets. You will see one option here, budgets. So clicking on this option, you will get a one option called create a budget. Then click on create a budget. Now you will see so many options here. So for setting up your budget, first we will see zero spend budget. So this is default budget. So by default you will get user template selected, and then your first zero spend budget will be automatically selected. Then you need to mention the mail ID which you want to get notified. So write the mail ID here which you want to get notified when your budget goes high. So for a demo purpose, I'm mentioning here for fake mail ID. You can use any demo mail. You can use any your personal mail ID or any professional mail ID on which you want to get notified when your budget get high. Then click on create budget. This is one is your first one default budget which will create it. So if you want to see all the information regarding your zero spend budget, then click on this option my zero spend budget. Now you will see all the information regarding your zero spend budget, like current versus budget, forecast versus budget, and like the budget amount you have set. Like you have by default it will say $1. You can change this value to, but if your value budget goes high up to $1, then it will notify to your mentioned mail ID or any mail ID which you have mentioned during creating a budget. If you want to delete this budget, then you can click on delete option. And if you want to edit this budget, like if you want to change the budget name, or you want to change the budget ID, or you want to change the amount, then you can simply change it by using edit. Right now I'm showing it to delete, so simply click on delete option. It will delete your zero spend budget. So your zero spend budget has been deleted successfully. If you want to create a new budget, then click on create a budget. Then go to month. Now I am creating a monthly cost budget. So I'm clicking on monthly cost budget. Budget name is monthly cost budget. You want to change it, you can change it. If you want to change the budget amount, you can change from here. Like if you want $200, you can mention here. Now if you want any mail ID, you can simply mention here any mail ID on which you want to get notified. Note that when your budget goes high up to $100, then only you will get a notification on your mail ID. Then click on create budget. So your budget has been created successfully. My monthly cost budget. You can check all information by clicking on my cost monthly budget. And if you want to edit it, you can edit from edit option. If you want to delete it, you can delete from here. It will show all your information regarding monthly cost budget, like what is your current budget, what will be expected budget, and if it goes up to high dollar handle, then it will notify on your mail ID. So I'm deleting it. So simply you can delete by going to delete option and delete it. So it will delete successfully. So this is all about budget in AWS. If you want more AWS videos, I will be definitely posting in future more AWS videos. Thanks for